बस कस्टमर आ जाए, बाकी तो सब मैं देख लूंगा. This is what I have been hearing over a period of time from lot of business owners. They just pray to the God to send customers. Does business happen like this? No way. You have to create a system to get regular sales. Otherwise हम कहते हैं ना, रोज कुआं खोदो और रोज पानी पियो. Business ऐसे नहीं होता. Hi, my name is Alok. I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, into one of the most beautiful places of the world. I'm myself being an engineer, an MBA and a digital marketing expert from IIT Delhi, and I'm here helping all these business owners to make a sustainable business by creating a sales funnel. And this is where I'm talking about the webinar solution, which is one of the pioneers, I would say, in terms of creating a sales funnel to get you regular sales. So if you want to have a regular flow of sales, एक फनल चाहिए, एक पाइपलाइन चाहिए जहां से ऊपर कुछ आएगा तभी नीचे आकर के कन्वर्ट होएगा. दिस इज व्हाट अ सेल्स फनल इज. यदि आपको चाहिए कि आपके बिजनेस में कंटिन्यूटी बनी रहे, रेगुलर फ्लो ऑफ बिजनेस बना रहे, ऐसा नहीं कि एक दिन हो और 2 दिन आप आराम करें, या महीने में एक ऑर्डर आए और 4 हफ्ते आप आराम करें, तो बिजनेस सस्टेन नहीं करेगा, बिजनेस आगे नहीं बढ़ेगा. सो आई एम इनवाइटिंग यू टू understand the concept of having a regular flow of business in your system, so that you don't have to run all the time. So I request you to book a call here to understand what a webinar system is, what a workshop system is, to create your sales funnel, a pipeline to get your kind of a customer. So click in here, understand, book the call to understand how a sales funnel is going to help you, and this sales funnel is entirely going to be digital. आपको बहुत सारे लोगों को भगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. So you'll be saving cost on the manpower, a little bit of investment in the tools, but this is going to be a sustainable model. So if you are interested, click here, book the call, and we are going to discuss one-on-one.